In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PayPal cannot access account. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check the error message. So note the exact error message that you see, as it helps identify the problem faster. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Use a stable internet connection and try switching to a different network or restart your router. Also, you want to verify that you're using the correct login details like your email and password, and make sure that the caps lock and keyboard languages are also correct. If that is not working, simply click on forgot password on the login page and follow the steps to reset your password. You can also check limitations on your account, as account may be limited for security reasons. If you're using any kind of browser, simply try clearing cache or try another browser, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.